Hello, welcome back to the channel Into Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways on how to turn off those annoying Discord notifications. The first way is to turn off notifications on a server. To do this, head over to the server you'd like to do this for, right click on it, go to notification settings and click on nothing. The second way is to turn off notifications within a channel on a specific server. To do this, hover over the channel you'd like to do this on, right click on it again, notification settings and click on nothing. Now as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss the next video. The last way I'm going to show you is how to disable notifications on the Discord app as a whole. To do this, head down to the gear icon at the bottom of your profile, click on it, go down to notifications under app settings, then toggle off enable desktop notifications. And that's it for this video. I do hope you found this video helpful. If so, please do consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video below, and I'll see you in the next one.